Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. San Jose, local and long-distance movers near me. When moving across the country or to another state or even internationally, many people expect to pay a lot, wait a lot, and not know how long it's going to take. We like to surprise our customers with our affordable prices, accurate time estimates, and all year-round availability. We at 3 Movers are fully licensed, bonded, and insured. We offer reliable quote estimates on the phone, call us for free, or online after receiving your request form. You can opt for minimal services, which saves money but involves more time and effort on your part, or a full service move, which is ideal if you're in a hurry or can't disassemble and pack your things on your own. Our team will be in touch with you and answer any questions you may have, keep you posted on the status of your shipment, and offer advice when it comes to logistics. We value our customers' satisfaction and are happy to see a lot of them return for service. For clients in need of a local move, we offer services like packing and unpacking, providing packing materials suited for each type of move, disassembly of furniture, transportation, and storage, both long-term and short-term. With us, your local move will be fast, affordable, and smooth. You will also have your items at the new location in no time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Jose moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.